Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So did you complete a purchase or sale? Leaving a review on Facebook Marketplace helps other users know who they can trust and builds credibility for buyers and sellers alike. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to leave a review on Facebook Marketplace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So what leaving a review means? So leaving a review allows you to rate your experience, help other users decide, build transparency, and strengthen marketplace credibility. So reviews are visible on the user's marketplace profile. Okay, so first thing first, open the Facebook application and tap the marketplace icon here at the bottom. Okay, you can also access reviews via Messenger. So go to the Messenger or open chat with the buyer or seller. Okay, the rating option appears after enough interaction. Okay, so now we are in the seller conversation. So here, tap rate buyer or rate seller. So scroll inside the conversation, tap rate buyer or rate seller. This option appears automatically if eligible. Okay, so I don't have any now because you know, I didn't have enough interactions with this person. Okay, so select 1 to 5 stars, add optional comments. Okay, so be honest and fair. Okay, tap submit. Review is posted, it appears on their marketplace profile, helps other users. Okay, so keep comments professional. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.